So today I'm going to show you how to drink. A lot of people have been asking, Stephen Dane, please, how do you drink water, especially Belaqua? How do you drink it? It's a skill that you need to develop. I know it's not easy, but today I'm going to show you guys how to drink water. So you start by first getting the sample. This is called H2O. Please, before you learn how to drink water, you have to understand that we only drink H2O. So you start by getting your water. I've been able to consume some of the H2O right here. So I've consumed some of the H2O. So you get this water, get the H2O content, you can see here, and then you shake it. So you shake it. So you can see bubbles. When you shake it, you see bubbles. And make sure you squeeze it. Yes. So after you squeeze it like this, you shake it one more time, like this. So now you can see. So if you look in well, you see some samples, some bubbles, samples. Then you just hold on, okay? Then you tilt this one anti-clockwise. So if you try moving like this, it's locked. So you have to go anti-clockwise. So you go like this. If you want to close it, so you go anti-clockwise, then you continue spinning it. You spin it till the lid comes off. So when it comes off, you must see a hole. There should be a hole inside the bottle. So after you've seen the hole inside the bottle, what do? You shake it one more time, but you have to shake it in a clockwise manner. Remember, you open it anti-clockwise. So you have to shake it clockwise, and you have to shake it in a circular motion. Then after that, you take it like this, and then you what I did there, I sucked it from the hole. So you clench your mouth like this, then you understand that effect. So you do that like this. You do your mouth like this. So you do that effect. So it will suck the water in like this. You understand? Then you can swallow. Make sure when you are swallowing, it should pass your esophagus. There are settings for that, but right now I'll make another video on that. Make sure it passes through your esophagus. Choose your esophagus. Select your esophagus and let the H2O, which is there. The together is called water, but what you are drinking is actually H2O. Then you do it one more time. You select your esophagus and it passes through. Then it will get into your stomach, and then before you know, you feel like you have drank water. Then what do? You go back clockwise like this to seal the contents of the H2O. So there you go, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, do whatever you want to do to this video. Share it to your friends, teach them how to drink water, and then especially Belaqua, and save a life. Teach somebody to learn this skill, and then go make money. Thank you.